Alright, I did it. It's recording.
Okay. Alright, now shut the fuck up, Skelly.
You
all
shut
right?
up, cause it hurts. Actually, it ain't hurting that bad. Oh!
Okay, hold on. I didn't get it deep enough.
Oh God.
Oh, damn.
Oh God.
Hold on.
She's enjoying this.
I totally am.
Oh, I'm not. Oh!
Shut up!
I'm gonna go get some like A&D or something. Oh,
Oh!
that's not gonna lance.
Ow! No, that's good.
No, stop,
Now,
stop.
fuck, man.
No, hold on. Give me a second. Oh my God, I'm almost got it. Alright.
Oh, it is coming out.
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
Alright.
Oh!
Hold this. Alright.
You don't know how bad that motherfucker hurts.
Yes, I do. Actually.
Snake
Oh,
bite.
that's good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Stop being a bitch!
Fuck you, man. It hurts.
Here.
Leave me alone.
Oh my God, are you serious? We need to go to the hospital if you're not going to
I've
let me do
been in the
this.
hospital.
No, you have not.
I've been twice.
I don't believe you.
I swear to God, I have.
What
Then
they
let me
say?
cut it up and further. Because that motherfucker is seriously fucking infected, yo. Give me this shit.
Yo, that's California shit. Or blood or something.
Oh God.
Oh, goddamn. What the fuck you get me into, homie?
I don't know. I'm about to make her stop.
Oh!
There it goes, there it goes, there it goes.
Hey, she got it.
I got it, I got it. Oh my God. Oh my God, here it goes.
Oh!
Here it goes.
Oh God damn.
Oh my God.
What is it?
It's real bad. So here.
Oh, I know.
Twit, here, do this for
Don't
me.
look. Don't look at it.
Don't look at it.
Ugh.
Don't look at it.
God
All right, here.
damn.
Do like this.
We're gonna get you. We're gonna go get you some ointments and shit.
I got
when we leave here.
Oh!
Yeah, it's real bad, honey. I think we need to go to the.
I done been
Keep
there.
it like that.
Oh,
Look.
Yeah. Look, eat that.
Eat it? I don't think so. Here, come on, come here.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, honey, we need to.
Oh.
Here, it's gonna hurt real bad until I do this.
Oh.
Oh my God, I've almost got it. Here, hold on a second. Hold on a second.
I need to get my fucking knife back. Oh. Oh, God damn.
I know.
Well, that's all we're getting right now.
Nope.
Yeah, it did.
Look, you gotta work in circles a little bit at a time.
Yeah.
To get to the middle.
Man, quit encouraging her.
No. Listen. Go get. Honey,
Leave it alone. I think you got
you
it.
need to go to the doctor.
Oh, I done
You need
been
to go
in
to
twi-
the doctor.
I've been there twice. You know
What they say?
It's some kind of spite.
Can we take you to the hospital?
I done been there. No. I done been there.
You wanna go get some ointment and put on it?
No, I got some else.
Huh?
I got little